Alright, about to get my hair cut. So I'm about to get my hair cut from my mom. Okay, so I just finished my haircut. Looking spiffy. So looks nice. I'm just gonna switch over to Saturday's vlog right now because I'm not doing anything else today. So okay, so we are in the process of filming a video. So I'm a cop. David's a cop. Preston's directing. Jaden's somewhere over there. He's a burglar. Oh, here he comes. So it's gonna be an interesting video.
Oh, good. What do we have next?
Just filmed the scene. We got the next one to do too. Okay, so now I'm a cop, and we're getting ready to move to the next scene. I think my mustache is falling off, but mine is. Okay, so we made it back. We finished filming.
Oh, I don't want your snotty mustache on my card box.
Anyway,
Disgusting.
We finished filming, and I'm gonna wrap it up here. So it's Sunday today. I didn't get any more footage from yesterday. There wasn't a lot going on after the shooting. I forgot to film dinner, but it's okay. So we're going out for Mother's Day today. Should be pretty fun. Take mom out to dinner. So the vlog is now on the GoPro for right now. We're gonna go on a kayaking trip here in the kayak with my boy, Niko. He's freaking, but here we go. Attempting to paddle with this GoPro in my hand. I'm falling behind, but my nerves are up so high right now because of my dog just deciding to go to the tip of the kayak. Ah! Niko! Niko! I don't know if you saw that, but he just took a tumble. Just got back from the kayak trip. I'm gonna probably switch over to the M50. And now we're back on the M50, going on a boat ride in the boat behind me. Should be a fun time. Heading in from the boat ride. Probably gonna go grab some dinner or something. Quick break and then relaxing and then off to dinner. About to go in, get some dinner. Okay, so we just ordered and sitting outside, it's really nice. Finished some dinner and I think we're heading out pretty soon. I just got back home, so I think I'm gonna end today's vlog. Thanks for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for tuning into Skyhook Media.